There we go. There we go. Hooked up. Oh, we got a drag puller. What do we got here? What do we got? What do we got here? Oh, dandy calico. Dandy calico. He choked that thing. Yeah. Hey, good looking fish. He's hardy. No blood. We'll put him back. There we go. There's that one. I might have to change my... Yeah, I gotta change my rig. My sliding snell rig is coming apart. All right, so at the suggestion of my daughter and her friend, they thought it would be good if I did a section in the video called the SmackDown, where I just talk about what I like about fishing or whatever. And one of the things that I've come up with, there's a couple dolphins out there, for fishing these smelt is I like to have these sliding snell rigs ready to go in a little plastic baggie like this, so that I can quickly tie them on. What typically happens is that this upper snell if a fish gets hooked by that front hook, this upper snell just kind of comes loose. And so you got to have these things ready to go. I try and gauge them for the right size for the bait I'm going to get. Today's smelt are a little bit bigger, so I got a little bit of distance between them. And then just tie it up to your existing Carolina rig and go. But that's a quick tip for the first Cabo SmackDown.